Namaskaram. Host Club President Raghunath Kannan Garu, Chief Guest RI Director-elect Mahesh Kodbagiji, President Representative PDG Sriram Murthy Garu, Convener and Assistant Governor Uday Pilani Garu, Chairman Ravindra Mopala, Co-Chairman Chandrasen Reddy, Co-Host Presidents Ganga Reddy and Praveen Pawar, DGE K. Prabhakar Garu, DGN T. Rajshekhar Reddy Garu, DGND Bushireddy Shankar Reddy Garu, my mentor PDG Ravi Bhatlamani Garu, Galaxy of Rotary officers, DG 3160 Chinnappa Reddy Garu and all my batchmate DGs, Trailblazer leaders, Rotarians, Rotractors, Intractors, guests and my dostis. Good evening and hearty welcome to Dosti. There are no strangers here, only friends you have not yet met. The only way to make a dosti is to be a dosti. Founder of Paul Harris said, friendship was the foundation rock and on which Rotary was built, and tolerance is the element which holds it together. This conference has been named as Dosti to celebrate our friendship. RI President Holger Knack has given us a powerful theme this year, Rotary opens opportunities. Rotary has given me an extraordinary opportunity as a district governor to make more than 4,000 very close friends in Telangana, Andhra and thousands across the country and world. My appreciation to each one of you for being part of Rotary and being my friend. For more than a year now, the world has been going through very challenging times. I think we have never seen such a pandemic in our lifetime. Albert Einstein said, in the midst of every crisis lies great opportunity. Rotarians, people of action, despite all the changes, we have done extremely well during this year. Our district has achieved 360-degree performance this year in all areas. Under service projects, let me highlight some of the outstanding projects based on 7 areas of focus. During start of year under maternal and child health, I have appealed to our clubs to start several baby feeding kiosks in public places like bus stand, railway stations and hospitals. Firstly, this supports mother and child. Secondly, this is an excellent public image program for Rotary. I am extremely happy to state that several projects have been done by our clubs under this initiative. Rotary Club of Bhuvanagiri has set up 5 baby feeding kiosks, including 1 kiosk in partnership with Armour. Mangalagiri 2 kiosks at AIIMS Hospital with modern facilities at cost of 3 lakhs. Hyderabad East 3 kiosks in major railway stations at Hyderabad. Hyderabad Centennial 1 kiosk in Nilofar Hospital as a part of various projects under Project Pavilion. Narsaraopet 1 kiosk at bus stand, Nizamabad 2 kiosks at bus stand and railway station, Bhadrachalam 2 kiosks, 1 at the temple and 1 at bus stand, Springfield 1 kiosk at Jubilee Hills and 1 kiosk at MG bus station to be inaugurated by Jubilee Hills. Next area of focus is disease prevention and treatment friends. There is no doubt that this crisis has made us much stronger, as we have done more projects compared to normal situation. Several clubs have done projects for COVID relief like distributing masks, PPE kits, medicines, distribution of foods and groceries, COVID isolation centers, oxygen concentrators and beds, arranging hospital beds, ICU ventilators, especially the extraordinary work on driving blood and plasma donation led by our senior Rotary leaders. Hats off to all the Rotarians for this phenomenal work. I appreciate everyone who have been part of COVID relief projects in these challenging times. While the whole country was under lockdown, Rotarians were on the road reaching out for any help at the most crucial times. Some of the significant projects under disease prevention and treatment: donation of a research lab equipment to Lepra Society, Global Grant Project by Jubilee Hills. Sparsh Hospice project by Rotary Club of Banjara Hills being inaugurated shortly. A very unique project to take care of terminal ill patients. Mobile bus for early detection of cancer, two separate global grants projects by Secondbed West and Guntur. A massive drive for distribution of food packets to patients and attenders by New Club Hyderabad Elite. Donation of two ambulances by Secondbed Sunrise through CSR funds, a great example of working with corporates. Two COVID isolation centers, Rajendra Nagar by Hyderabad Deccan and Shad Nagar by Bhagyanagar. Collaborative projects with other service organizations by Hyderabad Deccan supporting rural clubs in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana regions for oxygen concentrators, a great example of urban and rural clubs partnerships. Setting up of plasma bank by Hyderabad Deccan, oxygen concentrator projects, various clubs in our district, Sainikpuri second bed, Hyderabad East, second bed Sunrise, 200 stretcher beds project by from 17 clubs and other NGOs. Infrastructure support for two primary health centers by My Home Club Armor supported by Rotarian Jansi Premananda. Partition sheets in auto rickshaws, a unique project by preventing spread of COVID by Second Bed West, supporting by Guntur Adarsh and Pilugurala Lime City. Skin Bank project, a very innovative project by Hyderabad East, coming up on 28th of this month. Donation of 6 dialysis units by Hyderabad Centennial, 2 in Durgabai Deshmukh Hospital, Vidyanagar, and 4 in Ishwar Lakshmi Hospital, Gandhinagar. 3 global grant projects by Guntur and Guntur Adarsh, Red Cross Society Modern Ambulance by Rotary Club of Guntur Adarsh, and blood components, equipments and mobile blood bank van by Guntur. Global grant project by Hyderabad Deccan, extension of dialysis center and setup of a diagnostic center. Next area of focus is economic and community development. Next area of focus is economic and community development. Coming from a farmer's family, the happiest moment of my tenure as DG was participating in farmer projects. The first one of Second Bed West in village near Vikarabad, donating a dal processing unit and presenting vocational awards for farmers for organic farming. Second one is a Mission Nagali in Chintakunta village, covered 126 acres of tilling, ploughing, benefiting 105 farmers by Smart Hyderabad, Greater Hyderabad and Hyderabad Centennial. Leftover food collection van project by Hyderabad, Hyderabad Centennial, Hyderabad Deccan and Mega City. Donation of sewing machines to less privileged women by Rotary Club of Pandaripuram, Karimnagar, Sainikpuri in partnership with Satyanapelli. Once again a great example of rural-urban partnership and working with friendship clubs. Donating a groceries, food by various clubs, Warangal Central has done a great job. Financial support to the needy by Lakshitpet Green Crops. Egg Bank project for various NGOs in various locations, along with many charity projects by Rotary Club of Second Bed. The next focus area is a basic education and literacy. Our district has been leading in supporting education and literacy, especially in the rural areas. This year, despite the pandemic, we are implementing several global grant projects in our district, which are being done by Rotary Club of Second Bed West, Matur, Narsaraopet, Chilkalurpet, Guntur and Pilugurala Lime City. Next area of focus is water and sanitation, which are top priorities for Rotary, and we know their importance due to the pandemic. I especially congratulate Rotarian Uday Kumar from Rotary Club of Cyberabad for leading a very innovative project enabling technology to monitor the cleanliness of the toilets using a simple mobile app. The other major projects in water and sanitation are RO water plants by Rotary Club of Armoor jointly with Jubilee Hills. Rotary Club of Chilkalurpet and Pandaripuram Global Grant Wash projects 16 schools at cost of 88 lakhs. RO water plant set up in a village near Kottur by Banjara Hills. Amruta Dara, a joint RO project in a village Kompelli, Medchel. Secondary icons, Greater Hyderabad, Cyberabad and Hyderabad, Smart Hyderabad. Supporting more than 500 families. RO water plant project by Rotary Club of Hyderabad Centennial at Rainbow Homes, Vidyanagar Colony. RO water plant by Bhuvanagiri water plant in District High Court. Next area of focus is peace and conflict resolution. As a famous quote goes, true peace is not absence of war, but presence of justice and equality. Keeping this in mind, most of our projects which I mentioned earlier leads to social justice and equality, thereby establishing a peaceful living for people. Few projects done by our clubs in the area. Peace Rally by Chandanagar, Peace Pole inauguration by Jubilee Hills, Peace Raila by Smart Hyderabad, Old Age Home support by providing groceries by Second Bed Sunrise. 40 old age homes were covered, costing near about 25 lakhs, and I witnessed that project indeed. And next final area is my favorite one is the environment. Vruksho Rakshati Rakshita. If we protect the trees, they protect us. Under mega tree plantation program, more than 2 lakh trees has been planted across the district by Rotarians. Major tree plantation with 500 tree gourds donation by involving 12 Twin City clubs. Our corporate club, Rotary Club of Badra, in Badra Sarapaka, has done massive tree plantation and created awareness on avoiding not using the plastic bags. Rotary Club of Pandaripuram, which has donated sewing machines, is also supporting women to stitch and sell cloth bags under women empowerment. And empowerment protection, so far 40,000 cloth bags has been stitched, avoiding 4 lakh plastic covers. Request all the clubs to participate in the cloth bag project. Mega tree plantation driven by Rotary Club of Mathur, covering 5 to 6 villages and 20,000 trees by Nizamabad. Rotary's public image is shaped by the actions of each of us, supporting by appreciating the community. This year, we had excellent media coverage for our major projects. Few of the highlights projects are setting up a hoarding and push carts for vendors by Mangalagiri, Antakshari program by Hyderabad East with great participation from other clubs. Rhythm 2020, a national level dance competition by Cantonment Second Band. Rotary Clock Tower by Narsaraopet at Town Main Junction. Bus shelter and hoarding at Shadnagar by Hyderabad Centennial, building Rotary public image in rural area. In addition to these, several projects were done by clubs during this year. District designated days, friends, I have tried my best to cover major projects. Please excuse me if I had missed to mention any of your projects. Based on the club reports submitted in Rotary India app, during this year, as on 30 April 2021, clubs has done 2,200 service projects, 7 crore worth of projects, 4 lakh direct beneficiaries and countless indirect beneficiaries. 5,000 man hours in addition to all these several global grants projects are being executed, and there are a lot of projects which have not been reported in apps. It was really a mind-blowing achievement by our Rotarians this year. Once again, a big thank to you all for your effort and contributions. Rotary Prapanchani Prakashavantam Chesenduku Andariki Dhanyavadalu. Our district has done extremely well on membership. By the end of the year, this year, we hope to cross magic figure of 4,000 members indeed. Rotary Prapanchani Prakashavantam Chesinanduku Dhanyavadalu. Our district has done extremely well on membership. By end of this year, we hope to cross magic figure of 4,000 members. I would like to highlight 3 new clubs indeed, uh, which have done very well. A 20-year-old Rotary Club of Mangalagiri started with 59 members and inducted 43 members, making club strength to 102. Rotary Club of Secunderabad New Horizons started with 25 members, inducted 33 members, making their club strength 58. Rotary Club of Hyderabad Pride, the first all-women club of Telangana state, has already achieved net growth of 28 members to reach a total of 53 members. This year, we have added 26 new Rotary clubs, which includes 3 all-women clubs, 1 in Telangana and 2 in 10 cities. Out of 26 clubs, 10 clubs has been sponsored by Bhuvanagiri, 4 by Jubilee Hills, 3 by Hyderabad Midtown, 2 by Hyderabad James, 1 apiece Hyderabad Deccan, Karimnagar, Secunderabad West, Khammam, Bhadrachalam, Mangalagiri and Secunderabad. Our new club, Global Grand Diamonds, was started with the islands of our district Rotarians, with club members located across the globe, and new concept by Hybrid Club in our district. I take this opportunity to thank the entire membership team for this great growth in our district membership. Friends, youth is the future of Rotary. Rotary believes in developing new generation of leaders. Keeping this in mind, under leadership of DRR and DRCC and the guidance of district youth team, we have started 25 Rotaract clubs. My sincere thanks to excellent collaboration between Rotary and Rotaractor in various service projects and programs. 2 highlight programs for youth are multi-district Raila conducted by Cantonment Secunderabad with 300 participants. Emergex career seminar by Secunderabad West and Rotaract clubs conducted regularly every month, covering 2000 plus participants in Interact. We have added 9 Interact clubs by various clubs and conducted good programs. My hearty congratulations to entire youth team for the all achievement. Friends, Rotary Foundation, you know, it's a magic of Rotary. Our district has done well in TRF contributions as well, having contributed $500,000 to TRF this year. Out of 2 lakh above is a annual giving fund. In addition to several global grant projects approved with several foreign partners, we currently have 6 Arch Club Society members. I need to mention that Dosti Host Club, the youngest club in our district, Rotary Club of Lake District Moinabad, is number 1 in TRF contribution as on date. I am happy to inform you that the balance of our district fund, $14,000 has been donated to TRF on behalf of the district. My special gratitude to the entire District Rotary Foundation team for the outstanding support. We started this year with 4 district training seminars happening physically, pre-pets, AGTS, pets in Twin Cities and Telangana. From March 2020, we shifted to virtual meetings, but you all know that no lockdown can lock the spirit of Rotarians. We successfully conducted Andhra Pets, DTTS, District Assembly, Grant Seminar virtually with excellent participations. We also conducted membership, TRF and various seminars. My sincere thanks to all the district events, host clubs, and special thanks to our district trainer, DK Anand garu. In spite of COVID, district governor official visits are completed by January 2021. To develop good relationship and rapport, I have conducted all the DG visits in person without compromising safety protocols. I am overwhelmed with the hospitality and affection showed by every Rotary club I visited. I wish I had more time to personally thank each one of you by name. As a famous quote goes, great performance is never a luck. It takes a lot of focus, heart and hard work. Our district is the best, not only in performance, but also in reporting. Our clubs have submitted 100% reporting on time every month, and we received our from Rotary India leadership. My special thanks to club secretaries and entire technical team for the achievements. Friends, I can go on for the whole day lasting our achievements during this year. In the interest of time, I have highlighted only the major ones, but every project is very important and will be duly recognized. I am sure all of you want to meet personally and celebrate our extraordinary achievements. Hence, we are planning to conduct the district awards program once the pandemic is under control and government allows large gatherings. I can assure you that this would be a grand gala celebration. I take this opportunity to thank every Rotarian of District 3150 and their families for supporting throughout this year and also the participating in this conference. My special thanks to district team, the Trailblazer presidents and secretaries for rising for the occasion and delivering an extraordinary performance. My gratitude to all the PDGs and Rotary leaders who had guided me throughout the year. We have wonderful speakers lined up for today and tomorrow. Do not miss any of the session and cultural programs by Rotary family members. Please walk around to visit Hall of Fame and project showcases to view the amazing projects done by our clubs. Participate in lucky draw, quiz and games to win amazing prizes including trip to USA. Wishing you the best, immense experience made possible by technology, delivered by WASM, headed by Vishal Reddy and team. See you tomorrow during the closing session. Thank you.